Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself stuck looking at a TradingView chart that just won't update, or you're unsure how to quickly reset it to see the latest market data, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to refresh your TradingView chart, so you'll always have the most up-to-date information right at your fingertips. By the end of this video, you'll know a couple of different ways to refresh and you'll feel confident that your chart is always accurate. Let's dive right in. The first and probably the simplest method is to use the refresh button in your web browser. Now this might sound obvious, but sometimes the best solutions are the ones hiding in plain sight. If you're on TradingView in Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser, just look up at the top. Usually it's a little circular arrow near the address bar. Clicking this button will reload the entire page. What this does is it requests a fresh version of the page directly from TradingView's servers, making sure you clear out any old cached data and get the latest price movements, drawings, and studies. If you've just added an indicator or the chart seems laggy or frozen, this full reload can be a lifesaver. Just keep in mind, if you had unsaved changes to your chart layout, those could be lost, so it's always best to save your work before hitting that refresh. But maybe you prefer keyboard shortcuts and want to speed things up. A great alternative is to simply press Ctrl+R on your keyboard. Go ahead, give it a try while TradingView is open. This shortcut works on most Windows and Linux systems, and it basically does the same thing as clicking that refresh button, but it's faster and feels almost like a secret trick. For Mac users, it's usually Command+R. It's a tiny difference, but good to know in case you're using a MacBook. This shortcut is perfect if you're in the middle of analyzing data and need an instant refresh without grabbing your mouse or trackpad. I often use this when I notice a chart isn't updating with new candles, or I've switched between tabs a lot and want to be sure I'm not missing anything. There's also another quick keyboard shortcut you might find even easier. Just hit F5. This single key reloads the page in almost all modern browsers, whether you're on Windows, Linux, or even some Mac keyboards. It's simple and direct, a one-tap solution. F5 is a classic for refreshing web pages, and it's especially handy if you've just noticed some lag, a glitchy indicator, or delayed price action. Sometimes, TradingView might hang if you've been running multiple charts or changed your internet connection. Refreshing with F5 can often fix those little gremlins. And don't worry, if you accidentally press it, it's harmless. Just remember, you'll lose any unsaved edits. So that's really all there is to it, just 3 super simple ways to keep your TradingView charts fresh and accurate. Remember. You can use the browser refresh button, Ctrl or Command+R, or the trusty F5 key. Whichever method you choose, you'll be able to quickly get back to your analysis, feeling confident you've got the best data possible. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If it cleared things up for you, please hit that like button, and if you have any questions at all, maybe you ran into a problem or want to know more shortcuts, drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, walkthroughs, and tutorials so you can keep leveling up your trading skills. Thanks for watching and happy charting.